Hello, I'm Michael, and today we have a lesson on animals for beginners. So I will show you pictures and hopefully you will learn to say the words. So the first animal is, do you know? This is a dog. Dog. Can you say dog after me? Dog. Well done, very good. And the next animal is, do you know? This is a monkey. Monkey. Can you say after me? Monkey. Monkey. Very good, well done. And the next animal is a duck. Duck. Can you say duck after me? Duck. Very good, well done. And the next animal is a pig. Pig. Can you say after me? Pig. Very good, well done. And the next animal is a lion. Lion. Can you say after me? Lion. Lion. Well done. Very good. And the next animal is an elephant. Elephant. Can you say after me? Elephant. Elephant. Very good. Well done. And the next animal is, do you know? Say rabbit. Rabbit. And can you say after me? Rabbit. Very good. Rabbit. And the next animal is buffalo. Buffalo. Can you say after me? Buffalo. Buffalo. Well done. Very good. And the next animal is, do you know? A cat. Cat. Can you say after me? Cat. Cat. Well done. Very good. And the next animal is a bird. Bird. Can you say after me? Bird. Bird. Very good. Well done. Now I will show you the pictures and you can see if you remember how to say the words. how did you do? Let's check again and I will help you and make sure you've learned all of the animals. This is a bird. Bird. This is a cat. Cat. This is a buffalo. Buffalo. This is a rabbit. Rabbit. This is an elephant. Elephant. This is a dog. Dog. This is a monkey. Monkey. This is a duck. Duck. This is a pig. Pig. This is a lion. Lion. Well done, everybody. I hope you've learned and you can remember all of the animals. Hopefully you'll come and join another lesson soon. So thank you for coming and see you soon. Bye bye.